Grain markets were lower on Friday, extending the losses for the week in corn, soybeans, and wheat. At the close, December corn futures down 1 3/4 cents, settling at $4.19. For the week, that was 8 3/4 cents lower. New crop November soybeans slid 3 1/4 cents on Friday, settling at $10.21, extending losses for the week to 14 cents. Lastly, September Chicago wheat futures down 3 1/4 cents to 5.38 1/4. That was 7 cents lower on the week. On the bright spot, there were 3 separate flash sales this morning from the USDA, 2 of those for corn and then 1 for soybeans. The first corn sale was for 103,000 metric tons. That was for delivery to Mexico, and then the other 140,000 metric tons for delivery to South Korea. And then on the soybean side, the flash sale of 142,000 metric tons was for delivery to Mexico. Hotter temperatures across much of the Corn Belt are expected to work their way further south next week, with near normal temperatures across the Midwest back in the forecast. And precipitation forecasts look near normal as well. The weekly drought monitor, when compared to where we started the month, does show some improvement throughout the Corn Belt, most notably in parts of Iowa and Nebraska. However, there are still some isolated stress pockets in Indiana and Illinois.